Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to tight your bicycle front derailleur and make it work perfectly. So let's start. First, take your multi-tool kit and start tightening the cable wire of the gear shifter. Take someone's help to push the derailleur to the up so that one can tighten the nut. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. After tightening the nut of the derailleur, put a cable tie so that it do not disturb you while pedaling your bicycle. Then, using a scissor, cut the end of the cable tie. Now check the gear derailleur by shifting it. Thanks for watching this video.